Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we dive into the record-breaking 24 million enrollments in Obamacare for 2025 and explore TikTok's return to U.S. operations following assurances from Trump. We'll discuss the rising dominance of Chinese biotech in R&D and analyze why Medical Properties Trust is expected to see minimal impact from Prospect's bankruptcy. Deutsche Bank predicts Brent crude could soar to $90 due to Russian oil disruptions, while Intel faces scrutiny amid buyout rumors. We also examine how Trump's anticipated executive orders might stir market volatility according to Barclays, and why MongoDB has been named a top pick by Morgan Stanley thanks to generative AI advancements in 2025. Lastly, we'll review TSMC's performance as it sets the AI tone for 2025 with strong guidance for the future. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more insights on these stories. The Biden administration reports a record 24.2 million Americans have enrolled in Affordable Care Act health insurance plans for 2025, marking the highest participation since the law's inception 15 years ago.
TikTok is working to restore its service after President-elect Donald Trump extended the deadline for selling the short video app. The company announced it is collaborating with service providers to resume operations.
As U.S.-China geopolitical tensions rise, Western pharmaceutical companies are increasingly collaborating with Chinese biotechnology firms. Research shows that nearly one-third of the external drug molecules used by large pharmaceutical companies come from China.
Last week, shares of Medical Properties Trust performed well, even with worries about the bankruptcy of its major tenant, Prospect Medical Holdings. In 2019, the trust invested around $1.5 billion in 14 healthcare facilities run by Prospect.
Crude oil futures increased this week because of possible supply disruptions from new U.S. sanctions on Russia and higher demand for winter heating fuel. However, prices fell on Friday before the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday weekend and Donald Trump's event on Monday.
Intel Corporation shares jumped about 12% this week due to new merger and acquisition rumors. Technology news site Semi-Accurate reported speculation of potential takeover interest in the Santa Clara-based semiconductor giant.
President-elect Donald Trump is anticipated to swiftly implement his policy agenda after assuming office, which may lead to financial market volatility. Barclays analysts note that investors will be especially focused on changes in tariff policy.
Morgan Stanley has identified MongoDB as a top choice in its 2025 generative artificial intelligence forecast. In contrast, Fortinet has been taken off the cybersecurity top pick list because of an anticipated stock price rise by late 2024.
Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing stated that artificial intelligence applications are expected to lead the most substantial revenue growth for the company in the upcoming years, suggesting a positive future for AI-related business. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Until next time, keep thriving in the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.